Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And see guys, yesterday I was busy some works, that's why I didn't post any video. So that I updated in Telegram what before the market opens, what the view for today, and I pinged in the Telegram. If you're not joined in the Telegram, you can join, link in the description. See guys, so this is a support level. Okay, this is the previous support level here, here and here, and this is becomes a resistance here and resistance. And yesterday's view was when it is open in below this support, below this resistance, we will wait for it will act like a resistance, and we will wait for when it comes to resistance we will plan for selling, and it acts like a support. This area act like a support, and but what happened, it opened above this line, okay, above this rectangle. At that time this rectangle would be our resistance, and this will become our support zone. Let me text here so that you can be very clear. Okay, this is support and this is resistance. Okay, this is support and this is resistance, and see when the market opens above this trend line, and this is acting like a support. And what we have to do, blindly don't take any positions buying, okay, because this is completely 15-minute time frame. This is day traders, and it means who buys early and who hold it for a long time in a day. Scalp traders we can watch in 1 minute time frame. I'll explain what are the trades before explaining about tomorrow view. Okay, see if it opens above this line and it becomes sideways market when it comes to here. Okay, one point you have to observe here. See, when it reaches to this point here, we got a good buying signal, and it is in up support zone 1 point, and we got a signal here 2 point, and we can take the position here, the stop loss of below this line, and you can hold it up to resistance point. And after having a break here, you can see after having a break with a big candle, and it is acting like a support now. Okay, this is support and this is support, and completely this is now supporting range. Okay, completely it had a break here, 1 2 after 3 rejection it had a break. And if you want to know intraday trades today, we have to discuss one thing: failure trades, and that trades we should not trade. How to find that type of trades? You can see, let me clear this. See guys, now we will discuss how to find the failure trades and how to avoid the failure breakouts and all. Okay, and we'll see some example of failure trades and successful trades on today's market itself. See, this is a channel pattern. Okay, first it is moving inside this range, and it had a break, and with the confirmation we have let's see, let me check. If you see, there is no confirmation only here. After this big candle there is no confirmation, and it is given the bullish candle after the breakout, and we don't consider it is a good signal. Even though, how to see, if it had a break at this point, this is a breakout, breakdown, and if you see for this breakdown, what you will choose as a target. Okay, you should choose as a target of these two levels. Okay, by comparing these levels. Okay, on basis of these two levels, obviously you will keep this as a target. Is it possible to trade with this chota loss? Okay, if you trade in this type of trades, definitely this will gives us losses. Okay, definitely you're gonna lose money if you trade in these type of breakouts. Okay, you should have a perfect target also. Okay, not only entry is important, you should have the perfect stop loss and target as well. Trade plan consists entry, good stop loss and target as well. Okay, and here you can see this is given the breakout and with the confirmation signal, and you can took up the trade at this position with the stop loss of this is the buying position, and stop loss would be these levels, because these at this point we have resistance. This is at this point we have resistance. And what to choose the target? You can choose the target of these levels. Okay, this is a perfect trade plan. You have a good signal of entry, and you have a target, and you have a stop loss. This is a complete clear cut trade setup. Okay, and if this is a complete fault breakout, and you can see there is two good breakouts, breakdowns. You can see here this is our breakdown. You can see this is candle is a breakdown, and we have a clear confirmation as well. But if you see after the confirmation, this created a big candle. Okay, it is in completely downside rally. Okay, remember one thing, don't take any position when the market is completely uptrend or going downtrend. Okay, when the market is going straightly upwards, don't take any position and don't rally with it. Okay, either the downside, don't rally with it. Okay, wait for the retracement. If it is going upside, wait for the retracement. When it going upside again, at that time take the position. Okay, it's the same process we are following here. It is completely downtrend and it is giving the retracement, and here we can take the position of sell side position with the stop loss of above these levels, around these levels, and target would be previous support. Here this is a previous support and it had hit. Okay, this is how we have to plan the trades. Okay, let me clear this. Now see, we have another breakdown here, and you can see this is a complete clear cut breakdown, and you can see there is after completely downtrend, not completely. You can see here it is completely downtrend and it given a retracement here, so that you can clear cut here. You can take the position after the confirmation, no need to wait for retracements. But you can take the position at this point, the stop loss of above these levels, and it given us some retracement. Don't get panic, and target would be these levels. Okay, obviously these levels would be target and it got hitted. This is like a perfect trade plan would be. Okay, this is how we have to plan the trade setups. And if it comes to tomorrow, this is completely Nifty, and if it comes to tomorrow planning, Nifty, you can see Nifty is somewhat not stronger than the Bank Nifty. You can see Bank Nifty is very strong. If you see today, completely it is an uptrend. Okay, completely it is an uptrend, but in the morning shift, Nifty had given the retracement, sideways market, and went to upside momentum. Okay, and here we got a good signal by bullish signal, and it went upside and became sideways. But Nifty completely given the upside momentum, so that you have to think once. In Bank Nifty, you can see 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, this is not yet reached our previous high, but it had reached previous high and it is in high level. Okay, and it is in high level. Okay, but it is not even reached. If it is market going bullish now, it should give the rally of up to here with a good move. Okay, I am expecting a good bullish move in future definitely it gonna reach this level. Okay, not very soon, in this week itself. I'm expecting in this week itself it will hit this target above the, it will give above this target, above this as a target, and I'm expecting a breakout here, and with after breakout, after crossing this line, it may give sideways market and then upside momentum. This is the view for tomorrow, I mean this week, complete week view, and let's see what will happen. It may give some retracement, I mean green candle and red candle or green color, but complete view is bullish. And if it comes to Nifty 15-minute chart for tomorrow, if you see this acting like a resistance, and if you see, this is, as I told, this would be our supporting level. Okay, this is a strong supporting level if we observe from previous support and resistance, and this is our support, complete support. And if it is opened inside this, okay, and wait for the price action, it can be sideways market, because after the rally it can be a sideways market. Nifty, remember, Nifty can be the sideways market. And if it comes to Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is in completely uptrend, right? See, for the Bank Nifty, our support line will be around these levels. This is our support levels, and this is obviously this will act as a resistance levels. I'm expecting above, open up below this or above this. Okay, if it is opened above this, this will become a support zone, and wait for the price action, plan your trade plan accordingly. And if it is open flat, this will act as support, and you can trade plan, you can plan your trades accordingly. If it is opens below this trend line, and this will become the one supporting point, I mean this complete area, you can see this complete area becomes a supporting area. And don't plan any, see, one, remember, don't plan any trades if it is in confused state. You can see this is complete, this area having difference of around 622 and 65, around 30 points. Okay, at this type of, I mean at this time, don't trade and take any position, is my suggestion. Whenever it is crossed these levels, take these positions. Okay, and if it is open above this line, wait for, I'm still expecting the bullish moves in Bank Nifty, even in Bank Nifty sideways market. And you can join in my Telegram for daily updates. I'm gonna post some stock updates, and which is in good time to buy, and which is giving a dividends, and what are the logics behind that. Every day I'm gonna post it in my Telegram. You can join in my Telegram. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on next notification button. Thank you.